ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ and this is a rhymes time. I hope you are already following all the rhymes that we are doing in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. If not, I leave the playlist link here. Please do check out the rhymes. So rhymes are the one of the fun way and easiest way to learn the language and the new words and the vocabulary. So let's start today's rhyme. Ivattina rhymes yavdu? Ivattina rhymes is hakkiya chilipili. Hakki andre bird, chilipili is a chirping of a bird, the sound of the bird. Okay, let's start. ರಂಗನ ತಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳ್ಳೂರು ಮಂಡಗದ್ದೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹೋಗೋಣ is a let's go. So all these three places are the bird sanctuary. Ranganatittu, Mandagadde, Belluru, all are the bird sanctuaries. Okay, so here the baby is saying, Amma, let's go to Ranganatittu, Belluru and Mandagadde. ರಂಗನತಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳ್ಳೂರು ಮಂಡಗದ್ದೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್. ಅವುಗಳ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಅವುಗಳ ದೇರ್ THEIR ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ದ ಚಿರ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ರಂಗನತಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳ್ಳೂರು ಮಂಡಗದ್ದೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅವುಗಳ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. One more time. And here remember, avugala. La has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Chilipili. It's very easy. Kelona. Again, la has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Avugala. Kelona. Okay. Ranganatittu Belluru. La also in Belluru. La. ರಂಗನತಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳ್ಳೂರು ಮಂಡಗದ್ದೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅವುಗಳ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. Okay na? So thank you so much. Enjoy this rhyme and do let me know in the comment section which are the new words that you learned from this poem anta. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.